Ever wondered if those exciting charts and real-time price movements on TradingView represent actual money changing hands? If you've spent any time on the platform, gazing at the intricate lines and indicators, the question has likely crossed your mind. Stick around, because we're diving deep into what TradingView actually is and how it fits into the world of real money trading. Think of TradingView as a sophisticated cockpit for navigating the financial markets. It's a powerful platform brimming with charting tools, technical indicators, social networking features for traders, and a wealth of market data. You can analyze historical price action, identify potential trading opportunities, and even connect with a global community of fellow traders to share ideas and strategies. You see those dynamic charts updating in real time, reflecting the ebb and flow of supply and demand for various assets, from stocks and cryptocurrencies to forex and commodities. But here's the crucial point: TradingView itself is primarily a visualization and analysis tool. It provides the instruments you need to dissect market behavior, backtest your strategies using simulated data, and stay informed about global financial events. You can meticulously draw trend lines, apply Fibonacci retracements, and set up complex alerts to notify you of significant price movements. All of this happens within the TradingView environment, utilizing the data feeds it integrates from various exchanges and providers. So, if you're just looking at the charts, drawing your analyses, and participating in the platform's social features, you are not trading with real money. The platform's core functionality revolves around simulating and understanding market dynamics. The numbers you see represent real market prices, but your actions within TradingView, in this context, are purely for observation and learning. However, TradingView does bridge the gap to real money trading through its integration with various brokers. Many reputable brokers have partnered with TradingView, allowing you to connect your existing brokerage account directly to the platform. This integration is where the magic of executing real trades happens. When you connect your brokerage account, TradingView transforms from a purely analytical tool into a trading terminal. You can then place buy and sell orders directly through the TradingView interface, and these orders are routed to your linked brokerage account for execution with real funds. In this scenario, TradingView acts as a front end, providing the familiar charting and analysis tools you love, but the actual financial transactions and the management of your capital occur within your brokerage account. Therefore, the answer to our initial question isn't a simple yes or no. On its own, TradingView does not use real money. It's a powerful simulation and analysis environment. However, through its seamless integration with partner brokers, it becomes a gateway to executing real money trades within the familiar TradingView interface. This integration offers convenience and allows traders to combine their technical analysis directly with trade execution. Just remember that to trade with real money, you need a separate account with a supported broker and actively connected to your TradingView profile. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.